Welcome back to Brain Fuel. In today's video, we will discuss peak performance model from human resource management topic. How organizations improve from average to excellent to become great companies. Focus on four key areas. Let's look into the first two. Lean, work smarter, not harder. Imagine a company is wasting time, money, or effort. Lean keeps help fix that. It means removing waste like doing unnecessary steps or using too many resources. It also means making work faster and easier by using smart tools and better methods. Lean is used in places like factories, hospital, and tech companies to save time and improve quality. If you're studying for your exams, lean would mean focus only on what matters, not distractions, no clutter, just smart, efficient learning. So this was the example for a lean. So up next is human performance improvement. Help people do their best. This part is all about supporting employees so they can work better. It looks at what's holding people back, like lacking of training, low motivation, or poor teamwork. Then it helps them improve skills, feel more confident, and work well with others. For example, if a student is struggling in class, this approach would find out why. Maybe they need help understanding at the topic or a better study method, and then give them the support they need to succeed. And here are the definitions of the lean and the human performance improvement. So lean, think of as on doing with more less. It means better cutting waste time, improving efficiency, and using smart tools to get better results. Used in industries like where it is used in industries, manufacturing, healthcare, and engineering. Human performance improvement, it is also called as HPI in simple terms, focuses on helping people work better. It looks as what's holding employees back and finds ways to improve their skills, motivation, and teamwork. Up next is operational excellence. This keeps things running smoothly. This means making sure the company works well, organize the team, the company improves how work is done. So tasks are faster and easier. So it sets goals, clear goals, so everyone knows what to do and why to do. It focuses on doing great work every time, not just once in a while. For example, imagine a school where the timetable is clear, teachers are prepared, and classes run on time. This is operational excellence because it helps everyone to do their best without any confusion. So, here is the definition of operational excellence. This is about making sure everything in the company runs smoothly. The meaning of it is to improve process, setting clear goals, and delivering high quality at work consistently. Up next is thinking strategical leadership, smart planning for the future. This is about how leaders guide the company. They plan ahead instead of just reacting to problems. They understand what customers want and make changes to meet those ends. They create a culture of learning and improvement where everyone is encouraged to grow. For example, think of a school principal who listens to students, brings in a new teaching methods, and always looks for ways to make learning better, and that strategic leadership. So, the definition of thinking is leaders need to think ahead, make smart decisions, and always look for ways to improve. It's about understanding customer needs and building culture of growth and learning. So, how companies reach peak performance? A little effective HR systems. This is the best. Companies don't just work hard, they work smart. Here are the four things they focus on. Continuous improvement, so this will always look for ways to get better. Companies don't settle, they keep improving their products, services, and how they work. For example, like a student who keeps practicing to improve their grades. And the second one is innovative thinking. Think of new ideas and better ways to solve problems. Companies encourage creativity and fresh thinking to stay ahead. For example, like coming up with a new study method that helps you learn faster. Hiring high performance employees brings in people who are skilled, motivated, and ready to contribute. Great companies choose the right person to build strong teams. For example, like picking the best players for school competition, and the last but not least, creating clear workflow standards. This sets clear steps for how work should be done. This helps everyone stay organized and consistent. For example, like having a fixed routine for studying so you don't waste time. And why it matters: when companies follow these four steps, they become more efficient, more creative, and more competitive. That's what leads to peak performance. Organizational culture and why it matters. Organizational culture, let me clearly explain it to you. Think of a culture as the personality of a company. Just like person has own style, values, and way of behaving, so does every organization. What makes up culture? Shared values and benefits. What the company stands for, like honesty, teamwork, and creativity. Visible things, dress code, office design, logos, and even how people greet each other. For example, a school's culture might include wearing uniforms, respecting teachers, and celebrating achievements. That's what makes the school feel unique. Why culture matters. A strong and respectful culture helps the company. And up next is work better together. People communicate and cooperate more easily, perform better, employees feel motivated and focused, and this stands out from others. A good culture gives the company long term advantage. If your classroom has a positive culture where students help each other, follow rules, and feel safe, it's easier to learn and succeed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe whoever is studying with HRM. The videos and the playlist I have are very useful for them. So your every subscribe and like matters to me. It just takes 2 seconds of your time, but it matters a lot for me. I hope you will subscribe and like the video.